to everybody, to all our friends, our partners, of course to our chairman, Mr. Manuel D. Pangilinan. Thank you all for coming. It's a very exciting afternoon for Signal.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa pagpunta. And there's a lot more that will happen later on. You'll get to talk to, of course, our stars in a separate area. But for now, please enjoy the very short program that we have.
Buti hindi tayo pinag-grab pa din, James. Parang mahirap yung kayo.
Sir, gusto niyo ba? Ready ka ready ang lahat. We just want to dive in what made us go to this direction of vertical entertainment and vertical viewing.
Actually, it was only last year, mga June 2024, when we got introduced to the vertical format. So I was actually in a conference, the biggest telco media conference in Bali. And I saw the numbers, how it was growing in China, how the vertical format was growing in the US, in Asia, in Southeast Asia in particular. And nung inaral namin, I felt that it was such the perfect format for this product that we have. Signal Play has actually been out in the market for 1 year already. But Signal Play carries linear channels. So the channels that you see on the Signal box are actually mirrored in the Signal Play app. It carries live content. It carries VOD or video on demand content na both international and local content. So this was the first time that we thought maybe it should carry shorts. Kasi lumalaki, di ba? Even ako, nanonood ako. Nakakahook. Dalawang titles sa isang araw. So it took us 1 year to build it, and I congratulate the team for building it. And ang commitment lang namin is that this is more than short videos. This is, we're giving you meaningful narratives that we've crafted for the Filipino audiences. Committed po kami sa quality writing, sa quality directing, at sa quality performances na kita nyo naman. So I'm very proud of this first 5. We will be launching more actually in the next few months. Because the goal is to scale. So for those of you who haven't downloaded, please download the Signal Play app, both available on the Apple Store and the Google Play Store.
Thank you so much, Ms. Jane. Question is, yung mga technicalities ito, no? How do we download the Signal Play app? And of course, where do we find it?
Okay, so you'll find all of these 5 original Signal Play microdrama originals on the Signal Play app. So if you open your Signal Play app, may makikita kayo na microdrama button doon. When you click that, you will see all of this content. So we've built it out to really be the home of Signal Play microdrama originals. And we also have partnered with Dashflix, so our guests are here today. We'd like to thank them for sharing their content with us as well. So we have a library of content from Dashflix for international microdramas na nandyan din sa platform. So it's really built for mobile. Yung format po is vertical. Each episode is 2 to 3 minutes. So bagay na bagay talaga sa lifestyle natin ngayon na on the go. Naghihintay ka sa traffic or naghihintay ka ng sakay, di ba? So tamang-tama po yan sa lifestyle ng mga Pinoy ngayon. And we really built it out that way. So we're very grateful and thankful to the entire Signal team that worked hard on this product. As Jane said, it's a little over a year in the making. Pero we really wanted to make sure the experience, the user interface is very easy to use, napakadaling gamitin for all of our Filipino fans. No?
And ako, MG, I'd like to acknowledge the content creation team, no? Kay Shena, kay Mr. Inigo Santos, kay Pete, kasi talagang inaral, iba po ang paggawa ng script ng microdrama. Diba? Bawat episode dapat may cliffhanger. So talagang pinaghihirapan, pinag-aaralan. So I'm sure even our actors and actresses really had to learn how to make it work for this particular format. So maraming salamat.
At saka ginawa rin natin very accessible, no, to majority of Filipinos. So lahat po ng titles dito sa Signal Play microdrama, yung first 5 episodes po are free. So just go on the app, or sometimes you'll find it on our social media pages. And then if you want to access all of the episodes, it's as low as 20 pesos for a day. So very, very affordable. Tamang-tama, micro din yung subscription packages natin. para po mapanood ng lahat ng Pilipino.
Para sobrang dami talagang maka-access and ma-enjoy the content. Ma'am, sir, thank you so much. But please stay on stage because now we will have the distinct honor of hearing from the visionary leader.
Such an honor to have the chairman of Media Quest here. So he's here for the photo.
Yes! Yes! And at this point, of course, may we ask everyone to get ready because this is the moment we're all gonna like flash. Please stand in the middle. And before anything else, we won't let you go, ma'am and sir, without